Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously today's video is a little bit more creative. It's not for everybody, but you know me, I like to have fun with my looks, and not everything I do is wearable. But today we're going to basically be putting ornaments all over our face. I saw a look like this a couple times on Instagram, but I originally saw it by an artist. Her Instagram, I think, is called McDrew. I'll pop her Instagram up on the screen. Go give her a follow. She's super talented. So that is where this look pretty much came from. So starting off, I just went in with liquid liner to draw the hook, but you want to keep like a gap because you want to make it look like it's going through the skin, if that makes sense. And then I just created a little bit of shadow with some browns. And yeah, this whole look was honestly a process. It's all about shading, highlighting, contouring, all of that. So I went ahead and did one off of camera because I had to kind of get a grip on what I was doing. And then I came back and now I'll explain. And then I'll just kind of fast forward the rest of the video to some music and you can just watch. But again, I just made the hook with some liquid liner. You could use black face paint if you want, but the liquid liner works just fine. And now I'm just creating those little lines there to make it look like, it's going through the skin. And basically with looks like these, you're going to want to work in layers. So at first, it's going to be like, oh my God, how is this going to come together? How is this going to look? But you just have to work in layers, and the more layers and highlighting and contouring that you add, the more it will start to look realistic. That's at least what I think. But anyways, I'm just using brown shadows to create some depth, and I kind of start with lighter brown, and then I get a little bit of darker just to add depth, and then I'm just adding a little bit of shadow behind the hook because in real life, there would be a shadow behind the hook if there was a hook going through your skin, which there wouldn't be, but you know what I mean. And now I'm just adding some white to add some highlights to the skin. And I'm just using like white face paint, and then I'll usually set it with like a white eyeshadow. Anytime I use any kind of like face paint or grease paint, I like to set it. And now I'm just going in with the silver from that little palette there. It's like the Makeup Forever Flash palette. And I'm going over the black liquid liner on the hook. And as you can see, it makes it look more realistic. Like if you go over the black with like either a white or a silver, it instantly looks like a real hook. I don't know if that makes sense, but just keeping it black just wasn't cutting it for me. So I went over it a little bit, but I wanted the black to shine through. So yeah, once I do that, now I'm just going to go ahead and make the little like silver part to the ornament. And then I'm just outlining it with a little bit of black. Again, just using a liquid liner, but honestly, this liquid liner sucked. It's by Maybelline. I just used it because I knew like I would never use it on my eyes, so I figured why not just use it on my face. So yeah. I don't really like eyeliners like that for my eyes. They just aren't dramatic enough. But now I'm going in with a teal grease paint from the like Makeup Forever Flash palette dupe. I just got mine on Amazon. And I'm just going to fill in the ornaments with that. And then I'm basically just going to add a bunch of depth with eyeshadows. So I'm just going to add darker colors along the edges and then lighter colors on the inside. So I'm just gonna let you watch a little bit and then I'll be back to explain some more. with this small angled brush, I was just adding the black to the bottom of the ornament to create shadow. And then I'm going in with a like warm brown to blend out that black. Again, like I said a million times, it's all about the highlighting and contouring with a look like this. So yeah, you don't want to just put the ornament on your face with no shadow because then it's not going to look realistic. But now I'm going in with a white in the center of the ornament just because a glass ornament would have the most light on the center. I mean, I guess it depends on where, in real life, where the light's actually hitting it. For the most part, the lightest part is going to be in the center. So I was just adding a little bit of face paint and then going over it with some white. And now I'm just going in with the black liquid liner to add a little bit of fine detailing and to make these shadows look a little more realistic. I will say this look did not look the best on camera. In person, it definitely looked a lot better. I don't have the best lighting, to be honest with you. My camera isn't the best camera out there, so it doesn't always show the looks the best, but I work with what I got, so it is what it is. But now I'm just adding a little bit more shadow on the side of the ornaments, and then, yeah, just kind of playing around and adding things where I think they're needed, and, like I said, just working in layers. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it's not something that's wearable, although you could totally wear this to like a fun holiday party, like an ugly sweater party or something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and even if this is not a look that you would do, hopefully you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.